Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the Mesolithic age of early man. In today's lecture, I will explain about the Neolithic age of early man. Neolithic age is the third and final age of Stone Age. After this, Metal Age was started. Neo means new and lithic means stone. This age refers to the period after Mesolithic age. This period was the last stage, as I have told to you, final stage of early man. After that, early man discovered the metal and metal age was started. Tools of Neolithic age. During this period, man prepared new stone tools which were harder and stronger, means he developed his tools. He became a skilled tool maker. He started polishing and grinding his tools and weapons. His weapons included stone, axe, knives, spears, harpoons, wooden bows, and stone-tipped arrows were there. The Neolithic man started growing grains like rice, wheat, etc. And he also started to leading a settled life and also with the family, and the concept of family was started during this period, and also early men started to settle on the bank of rivers or near the water sources. He also invented sickle for cutting grasses, axe for cutting trees. He learned the art of weaving and knitting. These were the development of this period, because early man developed himself very much in this period, and the most important and remarkable invention of wheel. As you know, today's mostly inventions and works are based on the wheel, directly or indirectly. This wheel was invented by early men during Neolithic age. In this age, people used the wheel for making sledges and chariots. They also used the wheel for other activities like spinning and pottery. Some new beliefs also were present during this age in the human being's mind. We don't say that were the religious beliefs, but you can say these beliefs were the starting of religious matter. He regarded earth as his mother and worshipped. The Neolithic man believed in life after death, means he thought after death every human being has a new life. So, early men buried along with the objects, beads, pots, tools, etc., with the dead bodies that was used by that person, because they thought the man who has died will use these things in their new life. These were the beginning of religious matters which were present during this period. The man of Neolithic age was responsible for developing the first pottery. In the beginning, the handmade pots were dried in the sun and used. Later on, he learned to bake the clay pots. Baking on fire gave luster, strength, and durability to the pots. This was the also development of this period. It may have been during the baking of the clay pots in kilns, and man discovered the metal is produced when some other melts. It is believed that copper was the first metal to be discovered by man, first metal discovered by man. Hence the Stone Age came to an end and the Metal Age began when man started using copper tools in addition to some stone tools and implements. This period is known as Chalcolithic period. Chalco means copper. The places related to the Neolithic age in India are Burjaham, Mehergarh, Daujoli, Holur, and Koldihawa, etc. Remains are found on these places. I hope all the period are clear to you. If you have any query, you can ask. And this is the end of the chapter 9. Thank you and have a nice day.